How to change the Shopee mobile number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the Shopee mobile number. Open your web browser and type in shopee.com in the search bar. Now click on your username on Access Your Account. After clicking on your username, a new page might appear. Look for the option that says Edit Profile in the left dashboard. Click on it to proceed. You should now be on the profile editing page. To add your phone number, locate the section that mentions phone number. Usually, there will be an add button or a similar option next to it. Click on it to proceed with adding your phone number. Follow the prompts or fill the required fields to input your phone number. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.